Hello everybody, it is July the 23rd and I am getting ready to mow a yard that has lots of crabgrass, and people will ask what's crabgrass. So I am going to show you what crabgrass is, a lot of it, and what it does to the lawnmower and how it's no fun to mow. So here we go. First of all, let's look. Crabgrass is like a clump of grass. It's a type of grass that just clumps up. It looks like this. So it is by itself it's okay, but in the summer heat here, with all the rain we get, it just grows fast and it retains water in these thick leaves. And it does a lot of havoc on the lawnmower. So I'm going to show you a before look at the lawnmower underneath. Here's a quick look underneath the lawnmower of the Honda. It's got a twin blade, but anyway, you can see it's pretty clean. There's not any clumps anywhere. So next I will show you what we're going to be mowing and what it does to the lawnmower. So here is a big lot of it. It's not a big area, but it's as you can see, there is some Bermuda mixed in, but it's mostly crabgrass. So I'd say it's probably about 80% crabgrass. So we're gonna mow it. I'll mow it a couple times and then I'll show you what it does. So there we go. After we mowed it at 2 inches, and now we'll go look at the lawnmower. All right, so I got it all set up here in my yard, which this yard's all Bermuda, so it doesn't clump up like crabgrass. And let me show you what it looks like. Here we go again. So if you don't get your yard sprayed in the south for other types of grasses, you end up with a lot of crabgrass. And then when you mow every couple of weeks, 10 days, it gets really thick, and then this is what you get. Nasty. So then you're forced to clean out your lawnmower because of this nasty stuff. What we're gonna do here, so I washed it all out, got rid of all the nasty clumps. I'll pick it up here in a little bit so it won't burn the Bermuda, and we're all good. But crabgrass is not very fun to mow when it's clumpy like that. The Honda does a good job, and so recommend not having crabgrass in your lawn. Bye.